Hi guys, I'm Jane Hughes and I am going to do a bold red lip on my mate Salwar. I'm going to do a very blurred, kind of cool, edgy bold red lip. Yeah. This is called Julia.
Nice.
Today, you are Julia. I'm going to actually apply it to the back of my hand instead of directly from the bullet for two reasons. Hygiene.
Tell me.
Second reason, because I want to do like a very stainy kind of look. I'm going to start in the center of the lip. Really just start this color. Amazing. Start in the middle, work my way around, then go to the top. Just sort of like almost do it where it's like really just in the middle of the mouth at first. Then I'm going to start building it and pushing it toward the corners. Okay. There's something so cool just about a red lip and minimal everything else. Just like fresh skin, bold lip. And I'm using it with this smudgy brush because I want the edges to be really, really, really soft. I want the edges to be like super diffused. I do this trick on myself all the time and I love it. And I also do it on set for shoots and stuff because it just looks like effortless. The great thing about Space & K is they have so many products that you could literally find your own version of this look.
Yeah.
And you could like mix things and you can basically, you know, build a whole thing. I started my makeup career at Space & K like 12 years ago. Worked at the store in Westbourne Grove. And it was so nice because I got to the thing that I love so much about starting my career there is that I really got to use like multiple brands to create a face for someone. And it's just so much more authentic. So when somebody says to me, what's your favorite makeup brand? It's such an impossible question because every brand has got different strengths and, you know, different products that I love. And also it's like really cool because the thing about shopping at Space & K, which I love even as a consumer, is I know that the people in store are so unbiased and they'll just be like, this is my favorite product and this is why.
Yeah.
And I think that's really important when shopping for makeup. But I'm really going to go for it at the edges. I'm going to just quickly tone shift the lip with another shade of this Kevin & Kwam. It's so nice, this formula. This is the shade Dolly, my nan's name. Go let this pout a lot. Yeah, and I'm just going to press this in the center of the lip and just build it in the middle so that I get like a tonal shift. I'm not really going to change the color. It's just going to be like nudie peachy in the middle. And that's the best thing. You know what I love actually? I always, when I'm traveling, I'll always carry a nude and I'll always carry a red. Because if you mix a nude and a red together, you'll get a peach. You'll be able to create all the colours in between. So you could always carry like a light, a dark, and a middle, and then you'll be able to get anything you want with those three shades. Cutie.
We happy?
Love it.